Imagine if every new client felt like your only client. That's the gold standard of customer experience, but it's been impossible to scale. Until now. Welcome to BATS, the platform that automates high-touch personalization for your entire client lifecycle. First, connect your tools, your CRM, and your communication platforms. This establishes the secure bridge for bots to communicate with your data. Next, create a new workflow and link it to your data source. In this case, we're using Airtable. Our system intelligently detects your table, so you just select the one that tracks your deals. Now, for the system to understand your data, we need to map it out. If key client information is in a different table from your deals, you simply need to create a linked record in Airtable. This tells bots how to find all the necessary information for personalization. Then, you define the trigger event. For example, a deal status changing to 1. To ensure bots only fetches new clients, you'll add one final column to your Airtable base. Our system uses this field to automatically mark which deals have been processed. This is where the magic happens. You design the perfect onboarding experience once. Write the internal Slack alert using live data tags, tell bots where to create the new clients folder, and draft the personalized welcome email. Your saved workflows will appear in this section where you can manually execute them at any time. While automatic execution is planned for a future update, the current process is managed manually to provide you with full control. Once a deal meets the conditions you defined in your workflow, a new project will automatically appear in this section. Simultaneously, bots will update the status field in your original data table, marking the deal as processed to maintain a clean and accurate record. This is your main workspace with bots. When you execute a checkpoint, the system uses the saved data and settings from your workflow to automatically process the required action, ensuring the correct information is always used. For actions that involve communication, like sending an email, bots will first generate a draft. You can then review and edit this draft directly in the Action Center. This ensures the message perfectly matches your brand style and contains all necessary information, giving you complete final approval before anything is sent. The final draft is sent to the email address associated with the deal in your data source. For this first part of the demonstration, we are using a placeholder email, which you can see matches the contact information in our Airtable base. Upon the completion of all checkpoints in one phase, bot will prompt you in the Action Center to begin the next. Once you approve the transition to Phase 2, a new set of checkpoints will appear on the project page. This same process applies for all subsequent phases. Now, for verification, we've switched to a live email address. As you can see here, bots has sent the edited draft directly from our connected Gmail account to the client's registered email. In this phase, bot automates a more complex sequence. The system uses the deal's data to generate a draft for a new Google Doc and places it in the correct client folder. You have the opportunity to modify this draft before the final document is created. Next checkpoint automatically attaches the final, approved Google Doc to a new email. This same email will also include a link for the client to schedule a meeting using your connected Calendly account, seamlessly moving the client to the next stage of the process. This is bots. From automated onboarding to intelligent monitoring and AI-powered insights, we're building the foundation for exceptional client relationships at scale.